Kumusta mga ma'am at mga sir? Ano, decided ka nang magturo sa Amerika? Hito na tayo sa second action plan natin. Visit the official government site ng Bridge USA for a list of legit sponsors. Pwede mo kontakin ang mga approved visa sponsors for specific details regarding schools na naghahanap ng mga foreign teachers. Kung anong positions available, anong mga specific requirements to apply, mga licensure requirements and deadlines or timelines. I suggest looking for 2 to 3 sponsors or agencies and checking the reviews and ratings. Don't focus on this para di sayang oras mo. So ito ang itsura ng Bridge USA website, official government site for cultural exchange programs. Kaya alam mong authorized ang mga listed visa sponsors. Iwas sa mga scams. Nakaka-overwhelm mag-research at talagang mag-i-invest ka ng time for research para makompare mo iba't ibang sponsors. I suggest again, research 2 to 3 visa sponsors and then read the reviews and rankings and contact them. You can search yung mismong sponsor and their websites simply by typing their names at i-google mo at makikita mo each of the sponsors information and contact details.